Okay guys, welcome to a new video. I'm gonna make a ladder that could resize. You could resize the ladder. So make a for loop in I1 I is less than size y I plus plus format cout. Okay, pixels 2. Look at the pixels. This the equal sign. I think I need space. I think I need that. Okay, need the space. Another for loop. And let's copy this. Boom. Okay, I want size Y, size X, space. Okay, okay, happy. Okay, the. Okay, this is okay. This is our result. Okay, pixel 1, pixels 1, copy it, pixels 2, and that's our result. Now time for I think for another for loop, the outer for loop. Got the two inner for loop. The outer for loop, it will be size Y. Okay, H plus plus format again. Format. Okay, this is our result. Okay, what is that? I'm gonna fix that. Pixels 1. Okay, that the 5 9. Okay, there's a height 9 pixels, 5 pixels height. So I think I need to add it. I need to test. I'm gonna test that. Okay, and the test is done. I need the inputs to see out. Okay, I think see in. Okay, I flip the I flip that. I flip this. I flipping something. Didn't care. I think it's width, not length. Okay, need some test. Okay. Yeah, look, I'm climbing. The test is done. Okay, wait. I flip something. Oh, why is wait? I think 90. Why? I think I flip something. Yeah. Why this? Oh no. Wait. 54. Okay. I think I flip something. Oh, I really flipped something. This. Okay. That's more better. But I think it's not width. It's length. Whatever. I'm gonna change the in the end of the video. While I'm recording. Okay, ready first. I'm just testing it. Yo, very fat. That's a very fat ladder. Okay. Need something to control that. if size y equals to 50, and then else if size y is greater than 50, Cout can't generate more than 50 because of space limitation. And L, okay, 13 it's okay. If I tried 51 it's okay. Okay, something. Why 51 doesn't work? Why 51 doesn't work? I flip something again. Height is 12. Why is doesn't working? Oh no. I need. Okay, that's more better. Okay, and do one. Okay, nice. This while loop for repeated uses. Okay, that's more better. Okay, now we need something to need to, and I realized that's not width, that's length. I thought I'm in 3D. It's just 2D. Okay, bye, thanks for watching, and